It is known as hyperspermia when an amount of semen significantly greater than the normal ejaculate volume for a male is produced. Contrary to what usually happens with the low volume of semen, elevated seminal volume would not be associated with any pathology or fertility alteration. A man presents a case of hyperspermia when the amount of seminal fluid ejaculated is greater than 6 milliliters. As we have mentioned, it is not a cause of infertility. It may be directly related to an increase in the size of the seminal vesicles. As the seminal vesicles account for approximately 65% of the total volume of the ejaculate. The increase in seminal volume can also be due to an excess of abstinence days or inflammation of these organs.